In this example, I have several objects that are flat and need some depth added. Let's start by adding thickness to this tent. Go to the Modifier tab, click Add Modifier, go to Generate, then Solidify. You can adjust the thickness of the modifier. Select Even Thickness if you're getting uneven results. Uncheck Fill if you don't want the outer edges filled. If you only want the rim filled, but not the inside, turn on Only Rim. The Vertex group is for adjusting specific areas of the mesh. To do this, go into Edit mode. Select the vertices you want to adjust. Then go to the Object Data Properties tab. Click the plus next to Vertex Groups, and click Assign to assign the selected vertices to that group. Now go back to the Modifier tab. Select the group that you just created in the Vertex group. Adjust the factor to change the thickness of the vertices that are not part of the group. If you want to change the color of the material that is made from the modifier, like this pot and cup, first make sure your object has extra material slots to change to. Let's add a Solidify to this sleeping bag. For this example, I have 4 materials on the sleeping bag. Back in the Modifier tab, next to Material Offset, if I change this number, it will cycle through the materials that I have added to the sleeping bag. It's definitely worth knowing how to use the Solidify modifier. Try it out for yourself.